close-up of some of the items. Again, anything at all that catches your eye, that sparks a memory for you, you like to see up close, you like to know more about, by all means let me know, and I'll do my best to take it out of the case and do a close-up little video of it and show you exactly what it is. A lot of small items here get lost in the surrounding items. All kinds of little trivial antique stuff, paperweights to insulators to pocket knives, pocket watch there. That knife actually right there was my father's knife, my father's pocket knife, and his cigarette case right there actually came from Ireland. So there's a lot of very personal collectible items in that case, and again, I'm doing this journal just so my children and grandchildren can get a better idea hearing from me what they're all about and what they are. And so as I said, I had basically what happened was my hard drive on my computer bit to dust, totally 100%, and I lost my files. So I had files of every single item, and so that's all. Starting back at the beginning, making some journals, making some slideshows and videos. There'll be more coming, and might be a little boring to some of you guys, might be repetitious, but I need to put these things back together in a journal, and so that's the whole purpose of me doing this. Try to turn that light the other way. See the other items here. Again, everything you can imagine. That's a Mickey Mouse wind-up piano. Actually plays music. I forget what song it plays. I think it's The Farmer in the Dell, but I'm not positive. Some of these items, again, they get lost in the shuffle. There's so many things. That's an antique cast iron bank up there, baseball bank. Of course, the Lionel trains you're all familiar with. That's a cast iron wagon. You see it says O'Connor Fresh Bread and Rolls. My father-in-law actually made that for me many years ago. About 40 years ago, I used to have a bread route, and he made that for me. So that's a real heirloom, because it came from him. And big Tonka farm truck there. Smaller HL trains. One's in New Haven. Cast iron fresh milk delivery truck pulled by a horse. Coca-Cola items. It's a complete collection of everything from a Volkswagen Beetle with the Coke emblem to the forklift delivery trucks of all sizes, and the original bottles that came with them. So there's a Buddy L circus truck, the giraffe, all original. These Tonka here, these are little Tonka, little tiny boxes. They open up and you put little trinkets in it. So, just a quick span. In future videos, I'll do more close-ups, and you get a better look at them. But for now, I'm just spending this one rainy day making some little videos showing some of the items. Some of the items are quite odd and rare. That phone you see right there, you notice there's no dial, there's no nothing. It's just a phone connected to the hang-up. Well, that phone is the kind of phone that they would have on a train. Two of them, one in the engineer's compartment and one back in the caboose compartment. It basically was a form of a walkie-talkie system to talk back and forth between the engineer and the mechanics in the caboose to make sure everything was okay, tell them what was coming down the track, and it's a very cool item made by Bell Telephone Company. So that's extremely rare. So that's about it, guys. Well, it's actually a lot more here, but this will be the first video, and I'll be doing other close-up videos and slideshows, and of course you'll see more videos as we go on at Farmville. But again, anything else that you want to see, let me know, and any questions you have, by all means, post below, and I'll see what I can do to answer all your questions. Alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I brought back some memories to you of some of the items that perhaps you had when you were younger. Book 'em, Dano.